Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Whitmore or Whitty from Friday Night Funkin. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this is a very cool looking character, and it's actually very easy to draw because there's not much details to the head. Alright, so to begin we are going to draw the head first, so it's just going to be one big circle. So just draw a circle as best as you can. Alright, and then from here I'm going to draw in the eyes, so go to right in the center of the circle. You can make a little point, and that's going to be this little corner of the eye right here. So from here, I'm going to stand up. Now I'm going to come back down, just round it out. Okay, so I'm going to draw the other one. So just come back to the center, just go out to the side. One more slant going out. And then same thing here, just round this out. Okay, so now that we have the eyes, we're going to draw in the mouth. So I'm going to go back to the center again. Alright, so I'm going to start here. Just come down, you make a little point about halfway. And now I'm going to slant up. And on the corner here, I'm just going to round it out. So again, it doesn't have to be exact because it's very cartoony, just as long as you have this kind of shape. Alright, and then let's see, to finish up the teeth, I'm just going to draw one smooth curve all the way around. And then I'm just going to divide it up, and I'll make it a little bit simple, just 3 lines. Okay, and then let's finish up the bomb here. So just come out to the angle right here in the corner. Just draw a little bracket. And then for the fuse, it's really simple. You can just kind of zigzag like this. And then now just give it some thickness. Just come up. And then the very end, again, more zigzags. Alright, and then we can add in a few lines right here. Alright, so that's the head, nice and simple. And then now let's draw in the hoodie. Let's come to the center here. You can make a little point. I'm just going to angle this right underneath the circle. Okay, just come up and then just round it. Just go right behind it. So that's going to be the hoodie. Okay, so now that we have the head, let's come down and join the arms. I'm going to come out to the side right here. You make 2 little points just to give you some reference. And then now I'm going to come down. This is going to be the outside of the arms right here. Come back to the inside. I know it's kind of messy right now because all you're seeing are these lines coming down. Okay, so one arm, this is the other one. And then now I'm going to add a little bit of wrinkle right here. So just kind of pinch it in and come back out. And then round it out. Same thing here. Angle in, just come back out. And it's supposed to be cloth, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same. And then once you have these little angles right here, I'm just going to extend these lines. Okay, on the top one, just come in so that it looks more like folds. And let's go ahead and finish up the body. So I'm just going to round this out. That's going to be here. Alright, so for the hands, I'm going to start on the inside right here on the thumb. Just come down, just round it up. And then one little line here for the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the hand. Okay, so we're stopping here. This is the knuckle. And now I'm gonna angle down. Just round it, come back up. So that's one finger, and then the other one, come down, and then just tuck it right underneath here. And we can draw in a little bump here just for the tip of the finger. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad, right? So now let's draw in the other one. So it's gonna be the same thing, just opposite. Come down, let's round it up. One little line here for the inside of the palm, back of the hand. Same thing here, just one little angle, go back up. Other finger, again, just tuck it right behind it. And let's add one little bump in here as well. All right, and then let's see, for the details, let's go ahead and finish this. This one's nice and simple. All right, so that's the upper body, and now let's draw in the legs. So the legs are pretty simple as well. I know it looks complicated, but it's actually very simple to draw. All right, so we're gonna draw the outside here. So come back up to the arm right here. Just draw one big angle. Just kind of hook it in toward the hand right here. I know it looks really strange right now. Okay, so just one little hook. Start over here. Just come down a little bit more. So I'm gonna slant in right underneath the hands. All right, and then from the bottom right here, one little bracket going up. Just tuck it right behind the hand. Okay, so that's gonna be his pants, and now for his shoes, I'm gonna start on the inside. And then this side, we're gonna go out just slightly, a little bit more. And then just close this off flat. Okay, and then on the bottom here, just one line across. And the details on the shoe is very simple. Just one line. This is gonna be the front. And then one more curve, just right on the bottom right here. And that's it for this Whitty. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.